Hello Andy, very good morning. Today the date is 8th October 2020. Today me and my best friend Satyaraju have decided one good deed. As we have reached 300 admissions, as a token of support, 10% of 330 to 30 students, we would like to give our LMR classes at free of cost. Wait a minute, don't conclude fast. This class access will be given for only needy students, especially that who are doing IPCC old scheme. Me and Satyaraju sir have decided right now the LMR recordings available are for new scheme. But if you observe, accounting standards and auditing is the two subjects which are closely related to IPCC old scheme related. So me and Satyaraju sir have decided to offer Group 1 and Group 2 entire accounting standards at CA Inter recording classes, CA Inter auditing LMR recording classes of 25 to 27 hours of classes at free of cost to 30 IPCC old scheme students. From yesterday onwards, I have received till today almost 11 or 12 calls I have received from old scheme students asking sir how to crack auditing, how to crack ITSM, all that. And what I have noticed in all of them is lack of proper clarity in the subject. Even many of them, not even many, 100% of them could not even answer the fundamental questions that I ask. So to 30 deserving students, only thing is, see, actually for LMR batch we charge 500 fee. I know even today spending 500 rupees is also a tough task for some needy students. For them, I am going to give, me and Satya sir going to give free access to quality auditing classes and accounting standards classes which were revised over a period of 25-27 hours. Not only that, we will also give free material. Material, if you observe, it will be with high standard. So all of you, please, whoever is watching this, if you have any senior or friend who is from old syllabus, like for whom this is the last attempt. Of course, till now there is no official confirmation regarding extension. So for them, later on, forget whether extension is there or not. It's okay. We don't worry. For them, up to 30 students, we will give free of cost auditing, ITSM, LMR revision classes 25 to 26 hours, which were latestly recorded just 1 week. It's been 1 week they were recorded. In fact, auditing recording, last recording was yesterday. So those who are deserved or those who are needy, kindly use this service. So this is one token of thanks to the society. Because of the society we are today at this, like with all the blessings and all. Because we wanted to repay to the society. This alone I can do. I was just thinking what I can do to the society. Only this I can do to the students only, because students are the one who gave us all the name and fame. What I can give back the students is only this. So I don't know, some students are still, were reluctant to ask me because it is paid version. But I'm telling you, you need not worry. But remember, if at all you are really affordable, kindly don't misuse this option. If you are not affordable, please welcome. We will definitely give you without any conditions. We will not even ask you a single question. If you just come and ask, sir, you just tell me this, sir, I need auditing LMR classes. I just watched your video in the YouTube. I don't even ask you a question. Are you affordable or not affordable? Nothing I'll ask. I'll just give you. This is my assurance. All the best. Exams are nearing. Okay. Bye-bye. Have a nice time.